Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath number 781.
FamilyMath number 781. So this is a really neat problem I saw yesterday from our friend Alexander Bogomolny. It says this. It says the outside of an n by n by n cube is painted red. The cube is chopped into n cubed unit cubes. The latter are thoroughly mixed up and put into a bag. One small cube is withdrawn at random from the bag and tossed on a table. What is the probability that the cube stops with a red face on top? So what I'd like for this part of the project is not for you to try to solve this problem, but just for some initial thoughts and also some initial strategies you might think would be useful for solving this.
I'm gonna guess, so I think that it's n by n, but it's not the same for all dimensions of cubes.
Okay, good. So your first thought is that this might not be the same for like 100 by 100 by 100 and 200 by 200.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
why?
So I just see a 1 by 1 by 1 is probability 1. This is gonna happen.
Okay.
But like something like 100 by 100 by 100 cube is much more likely that you'll get a cube that has no paint on it. And then the probability of that is 0.
Okay.
So we actually need to calculate. We need to split this up into cases. So first, we need to calculate the probability that you actually pick a cube with a red face on it, and then you need to find the probability that that face will show up.
Oh, interesting. Okay, yeah. So we could split it into pieces. Probability of getting a cube that even has a red face on it, and then probability that that face turns up. Okay, nice.
This might be maybe some way you could, when you group all those cases, you could try to find the average, how that works. And then if you look at it for a lot, you'll find some sort of pattern.
Okay, maybe, yeah. Any other different approaches that you have, or any other thoughts at all you have about this problem?
Well, you're gonna need to find the probability of drawing a cube with red paint on it.
Okay.
And then you're gonna have to figure out the probability of rolling the red face.
Right.
So, but that's, I'm just thinking this is gonna get progressive, it's going to approach 0 as the cube gets really large.
Oh, okay. All right. So it starts at 1 and then drifts down to 0. Okay. All right. Well, how then, starting with the next video, would you like to approach this?
Well, maybe we could sort of look at small examples like a 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 cube.
Okay.
And then see if there's some sort of pattern between the numbers.
Okay. Strikes me as a very good idea.
All right.
All right. Let's do that.